Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Debt Snowball using Undebt.it step by step clearly. To set up a Debt Snowball using Undebt.it, start by visiting the Undebt.it website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill in your email and set a secure password. Once registered, log into your account. On the home page, locate the Add Debt button. Click on it to begin entering your debts. For each debt, provide the creditor's name. Enter the total balance owed for each debt. Input the minimum monthly payment for each debt. Next, specify the interest rate for each debt, if applicable. Make sure to save your entries after each debt is added. After entering all your debts, navigate to the Debt Snowball section. Select the Snowball priority option, usually set to the smallest debt first. Review your list of debts to ensure everything is correct. Now, find the section for monthly budget adjustments. Input your total monthly payment capacity towards debts. Undebt.it will provide you with a recommended payment plan. Review the suggested payment strategy for clarity. If satisfied, confirm the plan to begin your repayment journey. Monitor your progress regularly within the platform. Adjust your plan as necessary when completing debts or changing financial situations. Celebrate your milestones as you pay off each debt in your snowball. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.